There.
Once upon a time, there lived a princess. She loved to look outside. Oh no, it's raining, she said. Just display all day long in the castle. Na 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 na. Then he eat and sleep. Someone out there. It's about it. What are you doing here? I'm just giving a walk. A walk? But not nasty, okay? Okay. The pirate have a joke, and the princess have a joke too. Let's eat, said the princess. The princess give it a plastic fruit. So he eat it. What a trick! I'm making a trick for you, but I want to do a trick first. Just go away from my home. Oh, okay. I have to wait till my prince got here. The prince were here. Knock, knock. Who's there? It's Prince. Hello, Prince. What are you doing, pirate? Want to fight? I not want to fight. Don't fight. Because the pirate are nice. Is just not the pirates, okay? Oh, okay. Just go away, pirates. I'm tired. Do you want to sleep? No, I want to find a treasure. Then a spaceship. Knock, knock. Who's there? A spaceship. A spaceship. Look, Prince is a spaceship. I have something for you. Wow, a treasure. A treasure. Wow. Just take it. We have to play all day long here. So it's dance around and eat and sleep. Then the pirates never ever do a trick again. The end.